Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about evaluating limits.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this critical thinking question. Give an example of a two-sided limit of a function with an absolute value where the limit does not exist. Well, there's many answers actually for this one here, but we have to deal with an absolute value here, but like I said, many options. Let's keep it simple, start building this. Let's say limit as x approaches 0. Okay, so if x approaches 0, we can say we have the absolute value of x here. Let's do that, and then over itself. Okay, so we know that any number we plug in besides 0, when we divide it by itself, it's always going to be equal to 1. Right? 0 doesn't exist right here at 0 because, well, we can't divide by 0, but that's not why this limit would not exist there. Let's use a table here to see what's going on. We have our x and y value. If I put a negative 2 in, let's say, negative 2 in for x, and so the absolute value becomes a positive 2. We divide that by a negative 2, and so we get a negative 1. Do the same thing with negative 1 here, and for x, positive 1, divided by negative 1, negative 1. 0 does not exist at 0, right? What about a positive 1? What happens here? 1 in the absolute value of 1, 1 divided by 1, positive 1. Do the same thing with 2, and we get a positive, I almost did it again, it's a positive 1, right there. So on either side, as x approaches 0, when it's from the left, we approach a negative 1. When it's from the right, we approach a positive 1. And so that happens is disjointed there, it doesn't connect, right? Not continuous. And so at 0, the limit doesn't exist there because the left and right would be different. So here is an example of that, but you really could do a lot with absolute values divided by itself here, at specific values. So anyway, the limit here does not exist, and that's our final answer. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.